Being a student. Read, 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 and read. But we need to make money somehow because we have bills to pay if you're going to college. Rent, mortgage, debt maybe. And in this video, this is exactly what I'm gonna teach you. How to make money as a student. So, let's see. The first way to make money as a student is print on demand. If you don't know what print on demand is, let me explain to you real quick. Basically, there's a company, a website like Teespring, Redbubble or Etsy. You go to the website and upload your design on a t-shirt. Then you promote your products or just use the organic traffic that the website provides to you. And then when the product gets sold, you do absolutely nothing. You just sit back and take your profit. Okay. Because the company prints the product and ships it to the customer. But how do I make money from this? So when you upload your design on a t-shirt, you also set the price for that product. The company has a base price of, let's say $10. And you want to sell that product for $20. So your profit from that product is $10. Not 5, 10. I'm holding the camera so I can do 10. After that, you can also promote your products to increase your chances of getting a sale. But for that, yeah, you might need a little bit of money to give the ads. But don't worry, I gotcha. If you don't have any money to give ads or to start a business, just keep watching the video because the other methods that I'm gonna mention doesn't need any money to start. So you can start with them, make some money, and then come back to print on demand and promote your products. Okay, now let's move on to the next method. The second method is by writing articles on Medium. I guess writing is something that pretty much everyone can do, so it won't be a problem. You can write about anything. It can be technology, finance, health, fitness, or whatever you can think about, maybe video games. I even have one article on Medium and it's about why we don't need school to be successful. Ironic, huh? By the way, a quick tip from me to you guys. When you're gonna write something on Medium, do not just write it and post it, publish it. Instead, go and find a publication about your topic. For example, you can be finance, go and find a publication about finance and join them. Send a request to join them and then they will review you and ask for an article to see how you're writing and what your article is about. And then if your article suits them and it's good, they will accept it, they will accept you, and then you will be able to post for that publication. Oh, and don't get this wrong, you will still be the author. Just if you publish your article on a publication, you will get more traffic, and more traffic means more money. One more thing before moving on to the next method. If you promote your articles to people out of the Medium, you won't make money. Maybe you can, but let me explain to you. The monetization method is a little bit different. So, you post an article, people read this, and on Medium, you can read 3 articles per month if you don't have a membership. If you want to read more articles, you buy a membership, which I think it was $5. And when people with a membership reads your article, you make money. If that person doesn't have a membership, you won't make money from this. And Medium basically distributes that money to the authors that the person with the membership read. Does that make any sense? Well, let's say I have a membership on Medium with $5. I go and read 2 articles from 2 different authors. So, it's gonna be 50-50, like I pay $5, probably Medium gets a cut from this, and let's say from the $4, $2 goes to the one author and $2 to the other author. And also, if I remember correctly, the time spent on the articles matters too. So, let's say that I clicked on an article, I read for 10 seconds and I left. The author will get only a little piece of that money. And I went to another article and I read it all. I spent maybe 3 minutes. He will get more money. This might scare you because it sounds a little bit hard and not profitable, but trust me, it is. And I've seen people that making tons of money, but of course in the beginning you won't get thousands of views and thousands of dollars. So in the beginning, just post, just keep writing articles, and after a point you will start getting more and more views, and that means more and more money. I'm not sure if you can make a living from this, but I've seen people making living from this, so I guess you can. Now, next method. The third method is by Instagram pages. I mean, there are multiple ways of making money from Instagram. You can create an Instagram page and grow it and then sell it. Or you can get ads for that page. Or you can even flip Instagram pages. Let's see the progress. First, you need to create an Instagram page on a specific topic. That can be beauty, animals, fitness, luxury, travel, or whatever you can think about. Maybe food? I don't know. up to you. Then you need to find trending posts from other creators that are in your topic. If you're fitness creators, memes, animals, and then you need to find the posts from their page that did well, that got good engagement. Maybe the average of the page is 5,000 likes per post and one of the posts got 30,000 likes. That means that post did well, so that's what we are searching for. Just don't forget to credit the owner of that post. A text like that would be enough. Credit and the username on the description would be enough. After reaching 10,000, 30,000, 50,000 or even 100,000 followers, you will start getting DMs from business owners. Usually it starts after 10,000 followers because you open your swipe up stories and you will start getting more DMs about promos. And the DMs will be from the business owners that want to promote their product or their service. And you can charge them for posting their ads. And if you get bored, you can simply sell the page. I mean, this is a great way of making money and you don't even need any money to start making this. But for that method, you actually need to spend time and grow the page. So if you don't want to spend that time and grow a page, you can instead buy a page, an existing page, and you can keep it for a while, keep posting and grow that page, then sell it. But of course, to do that, you need some money so you can buy the page. But don't worry, if you don't have any money, you can just simply start a page from scratch and grow it. Personally, this is something that I've done. Growing a page from scratch and then selling. But basically, flipping an Instagram page is you buy a page, let's say you bought a page on 16,000 followers and you kept posting and now the page is 21,000 followers, for example. So when you bought the page, it was 16,000 followers and you paid money for 16,000 followers. Now it's 21,000 followers, so you can sell it for a profit. And growing an already existing page is easier than growing a page with 20 followers. Because the page has already traffic and it's get engagement, and when you post something, it's most likely for the post to go on the explore page. The fourth way of making money as a student is by being a freelancer. Freelancing is such a big business and there are endless things that you can make money of. Are you good at programming? You can make money. Are you good at video editing? You can make money. Are you good at Photoshop? You can make money. Or are you good at marketing? You can still make money. Basically, if you have a skill, which everyone has at least one skill, you can make money. There are multiple freelancing websites such Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, but I've personally used Fiverr and made money from there, so I would suggest Fiverr. And also to work on Fiverr, you just need to be older than 13. So if you're older than 13, you can go on Fiverr and start making some money. Yeah, maybe you won't have a bank account or a PayPal account because you're just 13 and you can withdraw your money, but it will still be on your wallet and you can withdraw it when you go 18, or you can just simply go to your father or your mother and say, Dad, Mom, I want to withdraw my money, so can you give me your PayPal or your bank account so I can withdraw that money there? And like that. I mean, my last order was days ago, which I made $10 and it wasn't something hard to do, and I made $10. So if I can make money, you can also make money. But if you're thinking about, can I make a living from this? Of course you can. There are thousands of people making a living from this on Fiverr, but you can do on Fiverr, or you can go more professional, create your own website and be more professional in general, and you can charge more. I mean, I've seen people charging thousands of dollars for projects, so you can make a living from this. I also have a great video on my channel where I try making money on Fiverr using the online editing software Canva. I highly recommend you to watch that video too. I mean, freelancing is the new world. No one wants to work on a 9-to-5 job in a cubicle. Freelancing is the best way. You can work from home, you can work from a mountain, you can work when you're on vacation. If that's something that you prefer, all you need is a laptop and internet connection. You can work no matter where you are or what the time is. The fifth and final method is through affiliate marketing. This is one of the greatest, the best, the finest ways of making money as a passive income. So here's an example. Let's say that you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram page as on the method 3, and you show a product or a gear that you use on your video, or make a post on Instagram or a story about that product or maybe service. All you have to do is to put the affiliate link in the description or on a swipe up story on Instagram. And when people go to that link and buys the product or service, whatever it is, you make money. Sounds good, For example, Amazon has an affiliate program where you can sign up there, and after that, you just take the affiliate link of the product that you want to promote it on your Instagram or on your YouTube channel or wherever you want. And as I said, when someone buys the product, you get paid. you make money. That's how you make money when you're sleeping. So that was all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. In this video here, I try Shopify dropshipping for 7 days as a complete beginner. If you want, you can watch that video too. So see you over there. Bye bye.